Axis Camera Station is state-of-the-art software that provides a comprehensive suite of tools optimized for easy and efficient high-definition surveillance. It's an ideal surveillance system for schools, retail, industries, and more. The Axis Camera Station is specifically designed for seamless integration with Axis Network products. This enables the operator to use them with all their features and to their full potential. The system is also open and supports use of third-party cameras. The intuitive user interface is designed with the operator in mind. The operator can efficiently manage various situations. The powerful search engine with Smart Search and video scrubbing makes it possible to search through vast amounts of recorded material, providing reliable results for export within seconds. From installation to investigation, Axis Camera Station is a proven and reliable security system with worldwide local support that makes surveillance easy and effective. Customize your system using Axis Camera Station and your choice of hardware. Or to make it really easy, use one of our out-of-the-box ready recording solutions. Visit Axis.com to learn more about Axis Camera Station.